So here's Oakley, who's determined to get into my lap. We're out here alone in the yard. The rest of the puppies are inside, so that you can see Oakley and not be confused as to which one he is. There's his wonderful ziggly pattern on the back of his neck. He's looking really, really good. Hey, Nibbler. Very, very busy, big boy. Handsome little dude. He's doing great. He's got my bracelet. You can see that his brindling has sharpened even more. His fur's got a wonderful sheen to it. Turkey puppy. And he's playful and busy. He's doing really good. Want to say hi to the camera? Hello, you. It's cold.